Grabe pala ang digging or ang lalim ng pinanggalingan ng name ng 18 or ang tinatawag na fan name ng SB19. May nagtanong kasi na I think bagong 18. Anya, hello? So, 18 here. Tanong ko lang bakit Aurum ang unang fan group ng name ng SB19. I don't know kung Aurum o Aurum ba ang right pronunciation. But anyway, mula po sa comment section at sagot ng mga dati o naunang fan at mga bago, narito ang kanilang teorya. Mula sa salitang 18, ang letter A ay hango daw sa Japanese na inspired by Aurum. It is inspired by the concept of kintsugi, a Japanese art of repairing broken porcelain with gold. Aurum is the Latin word for gold, while SB in SB19 stands for sound break. So as the group breaks into the Philippine music industry, we as fans serve as the gold that would bind beautiful and add value to SB19's new sound music. Pero narito pa ang say ng mga fans. Anila, who named them Aurum, Mahalima or the fans themselves? Sumagot ang isang sinabi niyang the fans. At ang isa ay sinabing si Pablo po yata nung nag-live sila dati. Say naman ng isa si Fins, kaya sa 80 nakahiwalay daw yung A kasi meaning daw yan. Yun nga ay ibig sabihin na gold. Say naman ng isa, the OG fans, they named themselves Aurum first because they supported SB19 even those times na hindi pa sila sikat at dahil doon kaya din napabilang sila sa fandom name na 18. Narito naman ang ibinahagi ng isang 18 na post ni Ken. Official fandom name of SB19 is 18. The meaning behind the name is fans before SB19. A separate from teen because it represents Aurum, the first fandom who supported SB19. Aurum means gold. Mahalima treats their fans as precious as gold. That's why yan din ang reason but may apostrophe ang fandom name na 18 to pay homage to the Aurum peeps. As I recall, it was a random name lang na lumabas nung una but it was actually referring to SB19. We found gold on SB19 so it's like a support name which fans name themselves na lang. At yung 250-18 na inside joke is andyan din nagsimula yan. I don't yet exist to the time of Aurum's day but based on reading sa mga comments about it then and now, I assume it all to Aurum, gold or gento. So far, 18 is the fandom name that has the most impressive, deep, mind-blowing, and well-thought name that has the most meaning into it. Aurum kasi means gold, yung A sa 18, dun yun nakuha din. Say parang isa, grabe ang lalim pala ano, ngayon ko lang din nalaman, sa bagay 1 year pa lang din ako as 18 before akala ko 18 kasi sabi nga, walang SB19 if walang 18 sounds as 18. Pero ito pa lang yun, pinaka-meaning niya, ang tatalino. At kung may i-add pa po kayo, ilagay lamang ito sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.